Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
So, you've opened a Roth IRA and you're ready to start investing your money for the long haul. That's fantastic. A Roth IRA gives you incredible tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement, which is a huge advantage. And choosing Fidelity as your brokerage is a smart move, as they offer a vast selection of investment options. Let's explore some of the best ways to make your money work hard for you. When it comes to investing your Roth IRA, think long-term. You're building wealth for retirement, so focus on growth over many years, not day-to-day market changes. Diversification is absolutely crucial. It helps protect your portfolio by spreading your investments across various assets. For most people, starting with broad market index funds is a very effective and low-effort strategy to get that broad exposure. ETF, or exchange-traded funds, are an excellent choice for a Roth IRA, especially for their low expense ratios and instant diversification. Look for ETFs that track major market indexes, like an S&P 500 fund, or perhaps one covering the entire U.S. stock market. The great news is Fidelity provides commission-free trading for many widely used ETFs, which means more of your money goes directly into investments and less into fees. Now, a truly unique offering from Fidelity are their zero index funds. That's right, they have a 0% expense ratio, meaning you pay absolutely nothing to own them. Funds like FZROX, the Fidelity Zero Total Market Index Fund, give you exposure to virtually every U.S. company, all in one easy-to-manage investment. These funds are perfect for simplifying your portfolio and maximizing your returns over time. Remember, the key to successful Roth IRA investing isn't about timing the market, it's about consistency. Keep contributing regularly and stay invested through market ups and downs. Over the long term, patience usually pays off handsomely. Periodically, you might want to rebalance your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your risk tolerance and goals. Your Roth IRA is a powerful asset, so keep nurturing it wisely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.